Do you have blank pages on or line pages on the planner? Well, actually, I have more than that. So if you go to the extra icon on the navigation just above the January, you will get to this list of templates available. And then in order to get to those templates, you have to just slide the pages. So you have the notes, you have the pattern, you have the dots, you have the blank page, but then you have more. You have a to-do page, you have a meeting list page, then you have the meetings notes page, and a meetings notes line page is very simple. You can always copy this page after a meeting in order to take more notes. And then you have the projects list, and then you have this project detail page number 1 and project detail page number 2. Again, you can use it to capture more notes for a project. Then you have the people's profile, and I think you have the workout plan for the week, and book review template, the tree packing list template. This is a tracker template, use it for whatever you want. And that's pretty much all about my templates. Again, if you want to use it, just slide. Let's add a meeting note like this one, the simple meeting note. So go to pages, locate that one, it's already selected actually. Put your finger on that page and hold, and then copy. It's copied. Then let's go anywhere, let's say May, 13 May, and I have a meeting on that day, which is this one. Tap plus, and then page from clipboard, and I already have it. So for Tuesday, May 13, I have the main meeting notes page and then an extra page, which I actually can duplicate if I need even more. So I'm going to just hit duplicate, and that's it. I have one meeting with 3 pages. And if you have 2 meetings for the day, you can duplicate the main one with the date, this one, duplicate, and then move it there. So this is the first meeting with 3 pages, and then this is the second meeting for the day with just 1 page. One thing that you can't do in a digital planner is create links between pages. It would have been amazing to have here the name of the first meeting and then the name of the second meeting and create a link directly to that page. But unfortunately, from what I know, Noteshelf, GoodNotes, and Notability do not have this kind of feature. So hopefully they will do that in the future.